No relief. I finally get my main event slot. After 8 long years, I finally get my one-on-one slot. A slot that I've been claiming, that I've deserved ever since I walked into this place. And who better than to defend that honor against than to my ex-partner in crime, Exponent. Exponent, you changed, dude. I stayed real, but you changed. You fell for the politics. You played the games. You kissed the asses that be. You sucked the verbal cocks. You sucked the literal cocks. And you've been on the top quite a while. You sold your soul, man. Me, I didn't. I knocked down those doors. I kicked teeth down people's throats. And I know there's some people out there who don't agree with my placement, but let me tell each and every one of you something piece by piece. Number one, no one of you has ever felt the type of hatred I felt coming from a community. No one of you can ever stand with your feet to the fire like I can and walk through that bitch smelling like smoke and come out fresher than the definition itself. You got your Timbo Slices of the world who's been regulated to pre-match shows, and you have your Harmonies who's all about her lonesome. Like we all couldn't see that coming anyway. You have your Tuxedo Jerichos who still likes to talk sideways like he won't feel this fist right here go down his punk ass throat. You have guys making up these fake phony ass promos with dead wrestlers. See, me personally, I'm not about shit like that. I give it to you real. I give it to you raw. I give it to you uncut with one take and one take only. No relief, Exponent. You are fighting to stay at the top. I'm fighting for my place in legacy. I have everything to lose. I have every single thing to lose. You don't understand that, bro. At one time you did, and one time we was tighter than giraffe pussy. And you, just like that fucking Jew from the shop, you turned your back on me. You felt like I wasn't worth being around anymore. You went on to greater and greener pastures. I'ma bring you to reality, homie. I'ma bring you and everybody else to reality. And the next motherfucker that's got anything to say about CL, be it good or positive, I'm still coming for that ass. June 2013 is my legendary step. It's when I finally grasp that brass ring and don't put it on my finger, but shove it down your throat and pull it out your ass and shove it up somebody else's. It gets real, homie. It gets real. Until next time, as always, bruh, keep calm, stay peaceful, stay loved, stay blessed. For as long as you can, at least.